What's up everyone? Had a nice little parcel arrive today in the post with my new Turnigy Graphene Panther batteries. These are on sale at the moment at HobbyKing, making quite a bit of a bargain from research that I've done, and I'm not sponsored or affiliated with HobbyKing in any way, but certainly from the research I've done, these would appear to be the best LiPo batteries currently in the market. So most of them are in the sale at the moment on HobbyKing, so it might be worth heading over there to see what you can find for yourselves. Thought I'd do an unboxing video just to run through them because I've not seen these before, but very nicely packaged. Here's a warning sticker, warning box. These, according to these, are shipped at 30% charge, so they do advise you to obviously get them up to storage charge as soon as possible, which we will be doing. Very nicely packaged. Come with XT90s. Genuine Turnigy. Quite good weight to them as well. Let's see what they are. What they're charged at the moment and how balanced they are. So 30% charged. 3.786, 3.79, 3.81. No, 3. They're very closely charged. You can see the difference between them now. 0.04% different volts difference between the cells, so looks good. These are the 5000 milliamp hour 3S batteries. I'd like to have got the 6S ones, but the problem with those is the shipping then becomes a bit of a nightmare. If you order over £100 or $100 worth on HobbyKing, you get free shipping as long as the battery power isn't over 100 watts. But the problem is, as soon as you go to the 6S, that then means you get charged for the shipping. Well, these are very nicely packaged, it has to be said. Serious weight to them as well, which, I mean, some people may not like the weight. I think I prefer the weight to make sure you get the right power that you need. 3.78, 3.79, 3.75. Again, pretty well balanced. This one's a bit interesting though, because this came with a sticker on it. I'm not sure what that quite means. B4316. So hopefully there's nothing wrong with this one. Doesn't appear to be anything. Uh, 75 C Discharge. These have been tested on the website I'll give you a link to, where they're testing a lot of the LiPo batteries out there to find out what their true C ratings are. These actually come out top rated with a proven 55 C discharge. A lot of the batteries that are advertised themselves as high discharge are failing massively. So I'll put a link to the website down below. I'll also put a link to the HobbyKing. I mean, if you do sign up to HobbyKing, if you wouldn't mind using the link I put, it just gives me a few rewards points if you do then go on to buy anything, and that's always appreciated. 0.09 volts, so again, all good there. And open up the last one. In fact, I'll be honest and say that it was such a good deal on there. I then went on the next day and ordered 2 more, which I'm waiting for them to arrive as well. But really couldn't say no, because these are coming out at the same price. I think they're working out to be about £38 each for these 3S 5000 milliamp hours, which is the same as what I was, paying previously for the Turnigy heavy duties, and these are better than those. I think the Turnigy heavy duties are marked at 60C, but they're coming out at, on the true real world testing from the website I'll put a link to, coming out I think they're about 35C. But I said, there's a lot of these batteries out there that have advertised themselves of 100C, and their actual true C rating is 25C. Well, this one's very close. 0.02 volts. Okay guys, so that was an unboxing. If you liked what we're doing, please like and subscribe, and hit the bell button so you get notifications when we do any more videos. I'm now going to get these up to storage charge safely. As I said, I'll put a link below to HobbyKing where I got these from. They're on sale at the moment. How long that sale will be on, I don't know. But grab these great LiPo batteries. I haven't tested them yet, but this is going from all the research that I've done. I will be doing a run on these in the very near future, once I can get out again safely, and see how they perform. But from everything I've seen, the people doing all the major speed runs, etc., using these batteries. So get them while they're in the sale. Take care everyone, stay safe, bye.
Don't you be afraid.